Hi and welcome aboard Quality Time. We're doing a night trip tonight. I'm here with my good friend Greg from Amazing Fishing UK South Coast, so remember to go and subscribe to his page and his YouTube channel. We'll come back later on with a bit of luck with some action from tonight.
Big one. See you soon.
See you soon. We've got 4 rods out, 2 each. Straight down the back we've got a lot of tide run at the moment here. Greg's just had a bite on that rod, so it's not come to anything. Lovely night out here, flat calm. Let's hope we can come back to you with some fish. We've only been here about 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. What we got then?
You should be able to unclip him off that bottom of it, right? There's a conger from carp bait. Okay, it's there. Nice strap, isn't he? There you go, conger on the carp bait and Tope attractors above the hook.
Yeah, dogfish.
There you go.
Dogfish. Okay. This time I'm gonna use squid and mackerel wrap. This is how that looks.
That's just took him 5 minutes to make that doggy bait. I've got other rods going now.
Yeah, both of them.
I've got 2 rods going at the moment. However, it could be Greg got them both. Greg's leader's here now. There's a bit of luck.
Let's see what we got there. Conger.
Yeah, conger. There we go. Little strap conger.
Fat one. He's gone.
Oh, catch and release that one was. Catch and release by Greg.
He cut off.
Thank you. Just went straight through 80-pound mono, that one went through. He was a nice size one.
Yeah, nice size guys. Yeah, he bites through. Yeah, the other one is going as well.
A little whiting. That's a live baiter.
All right.
Certainly stay in there.
Another one. Whiting.
nice one. There we go. We got her eventually.
Nice conger, guys. Look.
Nice conger.
Yeah.
Off he goes back.